Hi, I am Manish. Uh, I am a student of MCA second year. Uh, Now we can search for IT curriculum course like F5 module and any networking. Now we can search any of my friends will be referred on that NetMinion, and we can join on F5 some module like LTM, GTM, and we can extremely satisfied with the trainer and knowledge of the trainer, and we can enhance and explanation of this course curriculum. That is a very fantastic and expertise with lab and this type of hand-on experience with we can learn about the more of things and ultimately we can very helpful enhance our career and growth. So now you can join the NetMinion for IT courses like F5 module and networking solution.